Mixing patterns is not that crazy, and today I'm sharing you my tips. Sewing is much more than just joining together two pieces of fabric. It requires creativity, criteria, and lots of thinking. And when it comes to fabric, sometimes it's a bit overwhelming. Sometimes things don't look like you wish they should. But we learn a lot in the process. If you're new around here, my name's Irene and I love sewing, talking about sewing, and I do a lot here. So if you're new, consider subscribing, and that way you don't miss anything. And let me know down in the comments which are the fabrics you have matched together and which haven't turned out great. Mixing patterns is usually scary. Sometimes we don't know if they match, if it's going to turn out well, like it does in our head, but it does. You just have to follow some tips and be confident about it. And this is not only for patchwork, this is also for garments, for accessories, and for home decor as well. And the first tip I have for you is to match by color. It is the easier combination. For example, the dress I'm wearing, I just finished it. It's a combination of the same color, but in different gingham sizes. So I have a smaller one and a bigger one, but it's all in mustard. So it all combines perfectly and you can't get it wrong. The same as this jacket I made years ago. It's a bomber. And one of the sides is in black and white, in polka dots, one big and one small. So I combined it like this. I think it looks really cool. And I think you can't really get it wrong because it matches perfectly. The second tip that is quite easy to follow is to combine the same color even though you have different patterns. So the same base color. For example, I made a witch hat for Halloween and I combined everything with black. Even though one of the fabrics is orange, there's orange in other fabrics. So it all goes well together because of the same color palette. As well as on this table runner I made in summer, it's made with kitchen cloths. And the thing is that they all combine together because they all have black in common. So having this color in common makes it work because they all match to one another. And then another thing I did is that this base color I use for the back, for the lining, and the edges as well. The third option is to combine basing your choices into the pattern and not the color. Even though the colors don't match at all and you think of them of horrible together, if the pattern is the same, they're going to match nicely. For example, these two dresses I have here. This one is a wrap dress that I made ages ago and I think it works really well. The colors are not the same. The polka dot colors are also quite different, but it sort of works because of the fabric being the same. It's really nice. I love it and I think it's really vibrant and fun. And then the other one I have here is this off-shoulder dress, which looks really, really cute. And it is because even though the colors don't really match that well, they do because they have the same fabric. They are made with the same fabric, with the same polka dot size, and I think it looks really cute. It's very fun. I'm just hoping I can fit in it soon. And a tip in between after seeing all these polka dots and gingham is that these little squares, the polka dots and stripes as well, are like the plain fabric of patterns because you can match them with anything else that is not this. For example, they will go really well with flowers or with another psychedelic pattern you have if you take into account the colors you're working with. And then the visual balance of it. If you have a patchwork project, for example, it always works even though the fabrics doesn't work well together or doesn't match at all. For example, this little miniskirt I made years ago, it's made out with pieces of other projects, of previous projects, and I love it because it's just like that. I made the most of everything and it works because it's little pieces, so when you look at it, it's just a whole piece. It's not little pieces fighting for attention. So that's another one. And then there's the because I say so and that's it way. So for example, this dress I made years ago, I start with that phrase every time, but it's true. So in this case, for example, even though it looks a bit strambotic, it sort of works because one fabric takes you or introduces you to the next one. I think the turquoise one works really well with the yellow, and then the yellow is the opposite of purple, and then on this last one, on the navy blue one, there are flowers with the same purple color, which is maybe the most difficult one I made, but I think it works, I think it's fun, and I just like it. And then there's this one, which was really controversial when I made it, and I didn't really like it when it happened because I wasn't sure of the fabrics I had chosen, even though it was the idea I had, but it made me doubt myself. In the end, it was really well with accessories, it looks really nice and eye-catching. And the thing is that maybe one of the common mistakes of patchwork is if you choose fabrics that are too similar, like little flowers all around, or something that looks too plain, it will just crash into each other. So it's better to have something more fun, something you enjoy and you like it, it's yours. And of course, tips to take into account is don't stress out yourself. You're making something difficult because matching, maybe you're not an expert on fabrics or on colors. So try to take the pressure off yourself because it's not something easy you're making. It's something that requires a lot of creativity and sometimes it doesn't turn out great. So don't be hard on yourself. And one thing to always take into account, and sometimes I always say it, is this, it works in my head, but let's see how it turns out. Because sometimes you have the project thought, you have the idea, you have the sketch, but it doesn't turn out great. So just deep breath and don't desperate. So let me know then in the comments what you thought, which fabrics would you attempt combining together and which you wouldn't at all, or what garment you wouldn't see yourself at all. And I'll see you around. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.